In this video, I'll walk you through how to create and manage projects for your community as a nonprofit. If you're not sure how to create a community or onboard to the platform, you can check out our previous videos. But if you're ready to dive in, let's get started. We're starting on the Projects page, where you can see all the projects you manage. Let's create one by clicking the Create Project button. A wizard will guide us through creating the project, starting with the project type. You can choose between an online or in-person project. If it's online, you'll add details like a Google Meet or Zoom link later. For now, I'm choosing in-person. Next, I'll pick the type of project from the services listed below, then type in the project name. This name is important because it appears on public pages, help requests, and volunteer lists. After that, I'll add details in the About Project section to explain what the volunteers will be doing. Once that's done, I'll click Continue. Now, I can upload a featured image for the project. If you've already created a poster or promotional image for social media, you can use the same one here. I'll upload the image and move to the next step. Next, we'll schedule the project. For in-person projects, I'll add the start date, time, and location. It's a good idea to schedule the event at least a month in advance so you have enough time to find helpers. If it's online, this is where you'd also add the meeting link and any notes. I'll set the date and time, choose the location, and click Continue. Here's where I specify how many helpers we need and any preferences. For example, I'll keep the number of helpers to 5 and select the preferred language, English in this case, and make sure the country matches the project location, since this is in person. For online projects, you can request helpers from other countries too. Once everything's set, I'll click Continue. And that's it. The project has been created. Here I can see all the project details, like the name, type, date, and time. If I need to make changes to the date or time later, I'll need to create a new project since those can't be edited. Other details, like the featured image, can still be updated. To manage helpers, I'll navigate to the Helpers tab in the Project Management screen. Here I can see all the helpers I've already added, including their names, languages, and other details. If I need additional helpers, I can click the Add Helpers button. This brings up the same preferences screen we saw earlier, where I can specify the gender, languages, and location of the new helpers. For instance, if I now need 2 more volunteers, I'll enter the number of helpers and save my changes. They'll be added to the list immediately. As helpers accept their invitations, their status will update in the list. You'll see whether they're pending, confirmed, or unavailable. This makes it easy to keep track of who's ready to participate. Matching can take a little time as we wait for volunteers to respond. So let's take a short break, and I'll check back in with you as soon as someone accepts the request. All right, I'm back. Let's see how the matching process is going. As you can see here, we've already found a volunteer. For example, one person has accepted the request. Their status are now marked as confirmed. If you're still waiting on other volunteers, the system will keep searching and their statuses will update as they join. If you're having trouble finding enough volunteers, you can adjust your preferences to widen the search. For example, you might increase the number of eligible languages or expand the location criteria. Once you've made those changes, click Start Matching again to refresh the search. Once all the helpers are confirmed and the project date arrives, there's nothing more you need to do in the app. The volunteers will show up at the project location, and you can take it from there. And that's it. Now you know how to create and manage projects for your community. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your projects.